Hello friends, and welcome to our activity of the day. Today's activity is related to our story of the day. So if you have not listened and watched our story of the day, you might want to stop this video and watch our story of the day first. So let me show you what supplies you're going to need. You are going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need some crayons. We're going to practice using our scissors. Remember our poem? Fingers on the bottom, thumb on top, open the mouth, chomp, chomp, chomp. You're going to need a glue stick. You're going to need this dice. And you're going to need a strip of apples. All right, let's get started. Okay friends, you should have all of your supplies in front of you for this fun activity. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the glue to glue my picture onto the paper. Now, if you do not have a picture of yourself, then you can just draw a picture. Remember, we practiced doing that last week, so you can draw a picture of yourself with that circle with your eyes and your mouth and your nose. There we go, look. And that's just enough glue. I'm gonna turn that, put a little bit. Now this is kind of big, so I'm gonna do just a dot, not a lot. I'm gonna do another one. Just a dot, not a lot. Okay, whoops. Now I'm gonna put my picture. There we go. I'm gonna set this aside. I know we're gonna use glue again, so I'm just gonna set it aside for now. I know we're also going to use these apples, so let's go ahead and cut them out. Remember, put your scissors on, fingers on the bottom, thumb on top, open the mouth, chomp, chomp, chomp. I think that's really fun to say. Here we go, chomp, chomp. Might be a little bit wider than you're used to. This is definitely wider than the strips you practiced on, but that's okay. Remember, in preschool, we're all learning. Chomp, 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 chomp. And if you need some help from a grown-up, you can ask for help. That is okay. And if you don't have scissors, you can tear in between the apples. That's an option also. Okay, one more. Here we go. Chomp, chomp. Okay, I'm going to put my scissors down because I'm finished with them. Set the apples aside. Right. Now we have our dice here. I'm going to shake it up in my hand. Shake, 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 and roll up. My dice landed. You can see. How many dots do you see? Just one, just one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one apple and I'm gonna put it on top of my head. That's so silly. And what do we say when we're using glue? Just a dot, not a lot. Look at that. I have one apple on top of my head. Huh? That is silly. Now before, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put my name on my paper. So I'm gonna write my name. It's always good to write your name for practice. And I have one apple, so here I'm gonna write the number 1 and then the word apple. Remember, apple starts with an A. 1. And that's a lowercase a because this is not the beginning of a sentence and it's not the name of a person or place. 1 apple. Now before I say goodbye, I want to take a look at the dice. My dice landed on the 1, but yours might land on 2 or 3. Or 4, 5, or 6. be sure to send me or Miss Abby a message and let us see your work. We want to see how many apples are on top. Hope you had fun. Bye.